This should be the way. Salmon fish slices on the prosperity coast, the Lou Hei. We try to eat. There are only a few pieces which we cannot grab it. Now it's time to feast. Hello YouTube, I'm BulbMan. It is Chinese New Year. During Chinese New Year, what will people be eating for? Good luck, good health, and everything good. The thing which make everyone. What is the Lou Hei English? We call it prosperity toast. I will show you. This is the Lou Hei prosperity toast. I open up and let you see. That's all these are the ingredients for the Lou Hei prosperity toast. You see all these different color kind of thing, the melon strips lah, ginger stripes lah, orange skin lah, the fish sauce and the sesame and the peanuts and these crackers and the pepper. Everything is here. Let's put it into the plate. Okay, this is what the Lou Hei look like. In the Lou Hei, there should be the raw fish slices. Normally, when we eat the Lou Hei, right, the prosperity toast, right, there will be very little of these raw fish slices. So, let me show you how we should eat a proper Lou Hei. How we should eat the prosperity toast. Put it aside. This should be the way. Let me show you. This should be the way. Salmon fish slices on the prosperity toast, the Lou Hei. We try to eat. There are only a few pieces which we cannot grab it. Now it's time to feast. See? Is it very nice and colorful? Okay, now let's dig in. Let me taste the salmon slice first. Green and red and white strips. It's the normal prosperity toast taste. Very crunchy and very juicy. See? Eating a Lou Hei should be like this, while you can dig into the salmon strap without fighting with your other family members. Every time I try to take a few more salmon straps or the raw fish straps, I can't take anymore. I only get to eat one. Now I get to eat a whole lot to myself. If you want to know what's the taste of Lou Hei, taste of Lou Hei is a bit sour, some sweetness in it. The most important thing is very crunchy. Very nice, but I don't think we can eat a lot because it's raw. That's all for the video. This dish I will share with my brothers and sisters and my mom. I hope she won't get done. I'll see you next video. Peace.